Hello everyone, we have made it to a new chapter. Today is our first lesson in subtraction. We are on lesson 6.1 on page 311. We are going to be taking away, and our first essential question is, how can you show subtraction as taking from? So before, we were working with pictures like this where there's two kids at a table and one was coming to join them. Now we are going to be taking away from that group. So we started working with this symbol, which is our plus sign, which means to add together or combine or put together, all different ways to say it. Now we are going to be working with a new symbol. That one you will see soon. First, we're going to be talking about taking away though. So we're no longer going to be working with our addition sign or our plus sign. We are going to be taking from the group. So take a look here. We have 3 kids all together. If there were 3 kids at that table, let's trace our 3, and this one gets up and walks away. How many are walking away from the table? Just that one boy. So if we have 3, we take away 1, how many are left at the table? 2. Let's go to the next page. Listen to this word problem. There are 4 children eating at the table. 2 of the children get up to throw their lunch away. How many friends are left at the table? Alright, so here they gave us the number we're starting with. So we know we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to take away a number. Looking at the picture, how many kids do we have to take away? 2 of them got up from the table and are walking away. So we're going to take away 2. So if we had 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 of them are walking away, that's where we got our 2 from, how many do we have left at the table? 2. Let me show you that in counters. If we have 4 counters and we take away 2, how many counters do we have left? 2. Same thing, only they showed us a picture of it. Now flip to this page. There are 5 children playing with blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are playing with blocks. Let's draw a 5. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. One girl decides to go play in the kitchen. See how there's only one friend standing. One friend is leaving that group. So we're taking away that one friend. How many friends stayed to play with blocks? 4. Let's do this one with counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 leaves. How many are left? 4. So this one is a story problem. Listen as I say this. Blair has 2 marbles. His friend takes 1 marble from him. Draw to show the subtraction. So taking away and subtraction, you're going to subtract from the group. So if I have, or Blair has 2 marbles, draw 2 marbles. So Blair has 2 marbles. His friend takes 1 from him. Cross off 1. And then let's fill these in before we get too far. So he started with 2. So there's 2 marbles, and then it says take away. His friend takes away 1 marble, so take away 1. How many marbles does Blair have left? If he had 2 and we took away 1 of those, how many do we have left? Just one. All right, this page right here. Make up a subtraction word problem. Tell a story about this picture and fill in the blanks. So how many, take away how many, and then how many do you have left? On the back here, tell a subtraction word problem about the frogs. So it shows that we have 3, and then there's taking away 1. How many are going to be left? And then tell us a word problem about that, or tell someone at home a word problem. For number 2 in the yellow sun, tell an addition word problem about the birds. So see this symbol here? This means this is a review. That means we're going back to previous lessons, and we're going to be adding again today for this one. So this is where we have our 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus how many. How many are we adding to the group? And then how many do we have all together at the end? And then how many more counters would you place in this 10 frame to make 8? Do these two and send me a picture, please. If you want to record yourself making up one of the story problems, either for this page or the frogs, I'd love to hear it.